Hi everyone, welcome back. 100 days of the DevOps with the AI tools learning path journey. I also have completed the day 19 agenda that is about shell scripting operators. If you didn't complete it, go back to this agenda and review the concept. Yes, definitely that was one of the important concept which will be knowing that. Yeah, so if you didn't go, so through that concept, yes, go ahead and review once again. And in this video, we are going to discuss that the day 20 agenda that is about shell exit and case statements. This is also one of the very important concept of the DevOps you need if you are going to write that automation scripts. But what are those important concepts that we have from this section? Yes, before understanding that, yeah, if you are following the learning path journey and if you think this is very helpful, then please like, comment, and share the video, and as well as don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, let's go ahead to understand the day 20 agenda that is about the shell exit and case statements. But before that, whatever the agenda which we are discussing that, so if you like to take this course, so I'm going to share that in the description, this course link. So we have this, the surprising price. So there is a limited, the duration which will be having that. We are going to give this only some days. Yes, after that it is going to increase to that the actual price. So if you like it, yes, enroll. And definitely this course is going to helpful to crack the interview, and as well as job oriented with real-time use cases are there. Definitely those are all going to help in that for about your DevOps career. Yeah, coming to this this agenda, yes, that is the day 20 agenda, whatever we are talking this. Yeah, so this is a workflow which you are going to have it once if you enroll it. So the everything that is a detail, it has been given. Easily you can follow up that. Yeah. So shell script, that day 20, if you come back to that. So what are the important points that we have this is? Yeah, you should know that exit statuses. Yes, if you're handling that, the case statements, that is a case and assign statements or if else blocks, you need to return that the proper exit status codes, and as well as not only returning that, and we should know that. So the success cases, what are the different status codes are available, failure cases, what are the different cases on the basis of the command which you are going to use it, that the command status, how do you catch it, that. Yeah, all those are all very important. So while implementation time as a DevOps engineer, so success cases, failure cases to handle that. And not only that, whenever we are implementing the shell scripting, so optimization techniques also which we need to use it. That is one more important. Writing the code and getting the functionality, that is one point. But yes, the using that optimization techniques while implementing the script. So those are all also that's very important. So that has been explained in this today's session clearly. And one more concept which we are going to have it in this day agenda itself, that is case statements also. In the dation block already we had about it, if and if else, nested if else block statements. But nested if else we can manage it with one more type of the statement, that is case statements also. Yeah, importance of this case statement and in which context we use it, these case statements, comparing with that nested if else. So it has been clearly given that real-time use cases in this example. So you are going to enjoy this session. Yes. But if you like to access that this today's agenda, yes, the forum link it has been given here. That's shell scripting related exit and case statements. And if you click on this link, which will be redirected to this page, yeah, that is day 20. And here you will get it one video and as well as one lab. the video which is going to have this around 1.5 hours with the detailed explanation of that all the concepts with the operators, exit status, written codes, and as well as case and asset statements with real-time use cases that has been given. And the labs also are available, so which you can practice it, and you can get thoroughly experience on as per this today's agenda. Yeah, that's about this today's agenda. So I hope so they will enjoy this the while learning that these concepts, and very interesting also. Scripting is the whenever you are applying that, and if you know that the detail and yeah, the step by step the functionality and analytical skills if you have, then you can enjoy writing the scripting. So actually we can complete it within the 5 days agenda, but yes, that is not enough. So we should know that each and every point which is going to helpful for the DevOps engineer to become that automation engineer. If you have this computers background, non-computers background, doesn't matter that. If you go and learn that the step by step all these activities, definitely you can become the master on this DevOps. Yeah, so that's all from this agenda. So I'm going to sign off from this session today, and we'll meet that in the next agenda. Thank you.